Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make your eyeshadow look good using only one eyeshadow. And in this video, we're focusing specifically on shimmer eyeshadow. Like you don't need like a ton of eyeshadows to create a nice eye look. And that's what I'm going to show you in today's eye look and how to make it look good. So the first thing I did was just focus on my brows. I always do my brows before filming. I don't always include this in my videos because I have a few separate videos where I go really in depth. But for my eyes, I'm going to go in with the MAC Cosmetics Paint Pot in the color Soft Ochre. You definitely want to start with a primer before going in with eyeshadow. This is just because it removes all the redness from the eyelid. So it just leaves you with a nice clean canvas for your eyeshadow. And it will just make everything look more neat and clean. So definitely do this before going in with eyeshadow. You can also use some concealer. You don't have to use like a specific eyeshadow primer. Just make sure that it's not like a really creamy kind of oil-based concealer, so it's not gonna crease. So after I use the eyeshadow primer, I will go in with a little bit of powder. So I apply it in the product and then I just tap off the excess product. And then I will just softly apply it on top of the eyelids. What this is gonna do, it will just lock the eyeshadow primer in place and leave it with a nice soft layer of eyeshadow, which will make the other eyeshadows that I'm gonna apply blend out more easily. Now I'm going to go in with the Natasha Denona I Need a Nude palette, and this is the color that I will be using today. So this will be like the focus point shades. Now let's say you're in a hurry, but you do want to create like a nice, just soft, glam, well put together eye look with minimal effort. So you want to grab an eyeshadow that just has this beautiful sparkle, which is really beautiful on its own. But this is the only eyeshadow you want to use because you are in a hurry or you just don't like putting like a lot of time into your eye look. So what you first want to do is use your finger and apply it all over your eyelid. And this is actually the part where most people stop. They just leave it like this. But that's not what you want to do because you can really clearly see that it's just applied on top of the eyelid. You want to definitely blend it out. That's really important. So this is how it's currently looking. And this is something that I see a lot of people wear, especially more older women. They apply it, but they don't blend out the edges. And that's definitely what makes a huge difference. So you just want to grab a tiny blending brush. It doesn't really matter how it looks, but you can see the comparison from left to right. It just looks very different. Now, if you feel like because of the blending, you kind of made the eyeshadow look less shimmery or anything like that, you can always add a little bit more of the eyeshadow into the center. But you just want to make sure that you blend out the edges because that makes the whole eye look so different. Well, just like you put more effort, and it's only one extra step, which doesn't have to take a lot of time. Now, I'm going to finish the eye look with a nude pencil in the waterline. You can use any color, of course, that you like, but we're going for that soft glam vibe today. So I went for a nude because it just goes really well with today's eyeshadow. Then I curled my lashes. Again, this is a really easy look, so we're not going to go in with eyeshadow underneath the lower lash line. We're keeping it super quick and simple. So I'm curling my lashes to make them ready for mascara. I definitely need to use a lash curler because my lashes don't look good from itself. I'm using the Falsies Surreal Mascara from Maybelline. And this one, especially this mascara, makes my lower lashes super long. Like, it really opens my eyes when my lashes look very long. I will go in with false lashes just because I don't have the longest upper lashes. I really don't like my lashes. So of course this is going to take a little extra time. If you do have beautiful lashes, you can just keep it this way. But I definitely needed to go in with some falsies. So I'm going to go in with these bright lashes from Angela Bright. Super beautiful. And I'm just going to pop them right above my own natural lashes. And I feel like if you look at this eye look, it really looks like I've put a lot of effort. Now I do feel like the applying lashes gives it actually more effort because it takes a little bit more time. But a part of that, the eyeshadow application was so quick and easy. but it looks really nice and glamorous. So I really hope this video was helpful, just to show you that trick with blending it out, that it makes a difference, and you can definitely create a nice eye look using only one eyeshadow. So yeah, I hope you guys liked today's eye look. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. This is really helpful for my YouTube channel and I really appreciate it, and this way I know what kind of videos you guys like. If you aren't subscribed yet, don't forget to do so if you do enjoy watching makeup tutorials. And yeah, I just want to say thanks for watching, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye guys!